Are you ready, Sonny Boy? Are you ready? Go ahead. Good birdie. Good boy. Turn left. Turn left. Turn left. Yes, good. Left. Good boy. Ooh, that was awesome. You were getting so smart. How smart could you possibly get? More smarter than this? More smarter. Yeah. Good thing you don't speak English. You'd be learning it bad from me. The wrong things to say. Turn left. Yes. Yes. Turn right. Yes. That was a half a turn. That's an interesting trick. You gonna learn that one too? Okay. Turn right. Yes. Oh my goodness. My goodness. That was so impressive. Woohoo. What a smart bird. Yay. Turn left. Turn left. Good boy. Turn left. Are you ready? Turn left. Turn left. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Turn left. No. Oh, what happened? You didn't finish. Turn left. Turn right. Yes. Good. Turn right. Okay. Okay, I know. You're being a good boy. You're trying hard. Turn right. Turn right. Yes, good boy. Good boy. Woohoo! Yay! That was very smart. Turn left. Turn left. Are you ready? Turn left. Turn left. Are you ready? Turn left. Turn left. 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 Turn left. Come on. Yes! Oh, turn left. Turn left. Don't give up. Come on. Turn left. Come on. Turn left. Okay, we had a little mental break there to work on turn left. He had to get his brain back. Now he's turn left. Come on. Making little baby noises. Are you reverting back to your babiness? Okay, let's work on what we did yesterday. Okay, ready? Are you ready? Lift your wing. 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 Yay! Good boy! Excellent! That was good. You ready? Lift your wing. Lift your wing. Lift your wing. Yay! Wow! That was awesome. You're so smart. You are the BB. Brilliant bird. Yes. What a good boy. Okay, ready? Lift your wing. Lift your wing. Lift your wing. Lift your wing. Are you ready? Lift your wing. Lift your wing. Are you ready? Are you being a baby bird? Are you making baby bird noises? Baby, baby. Oh, now you're going to be in the baby bird I want formula pose. Are you in baby bird mood? Oh. Ready? Lift your wing. Lift your wing. Lift your wing. Yes, good bird. That was good. That was awesome. Oh, he's a good bird. Who's a good bird? Who's a good bird? Who's a good bird? You gonna wake up? Are you being a baby bird? Are you being a baby? Oh, what a baby. Oh, yes. Are you ready? Are you ready? Lift your wing. 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 Lift your lift your wing. Oh, you're in a baby mood. Lift your wing. Yay! Oh, that was good. You're a baby bird. You said, just because yesterday was my 4-month birthday doesn't mean I'm older than I was last week much. Right? Is that what you're trying to say? You didn't all of a sudden grow up. You're still a baby. Okay. Ready? Lift your wing. Lift your wing. Lift your wing. Lift your wing. You ready? Lift your wing. Lift your wing. Lift your wing. Oh, that's such a cute baby noises. Lift your wing. Lift your wing. Yay! Oh boy, you are really something. I don't know what, but you're something. You're a baby. Baby, baby. Okay. Good baby bird. Oh, I know. You're a baby bird. You're a baby birdie. Oh. Yes. Turn right. Turn right. Turn right. Yes. Good birdie. I know. I know. It's hard to be a baby bird. Oh, so hard. Yeah. You had a busy day today too, didn't you? Okay, you ready to put on your harness? Are you ready to put on your harness? Come on. There you go. Good bird. Yes, good birdie. Good. You ready to put on your harness? Yes, good bird. Come on. Come on. That's a good birdie. Oh, yes. You love your harness. Yes, you do. I love it. There you go. Grumble, grumble, says the baby bird. Grumble, grumble. Don't you remember you wore it yesterday? And you got to go outside with everybody in the backyard? Oh, you're just the silliest bird I ever saw. Would you like another one? Here. No? Let me take it off and then you get it? Okay. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, it's so hard to be you. I just can't even imagine. I know. You ready to put on your harness? Come on. We're going to go outside if you put your harness on. You don't fall backwards. Just take it. Oh, somebody took a little flying away, did you? Okay. Did you go up on the refrigerator? Okay, let's see what you'll do. There you are. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. You are in a baby bird mood. Look at you. You're in a baby bird feed me stance. It's not time for your warmed up pellet sweet potato mash yet, which you think is baby bird food, don't you? You think it's baby bird food, don't you? I know, but it's not time for that yet. You still have a lot of this stuff left. Look at all that. Look at all that fruit you have and veggies. Jalapeno peppers. Yummy, yummy. You have nuts in there. Because you are nuts, aren't you? Listen to you, baby. Oh my goodness, you are in a baby bird mood. Ugh, I know. Oh, you want to be cuddled? Huh? Okay. Oh, okay.